Datura is a deliriant poison which causes delirium. Datura belongs to the family Solanaceae. In India, many types of Datura has been seen, and those are Safed Datura, which is Datura alba. Flowers are white in color. Kala Datura, that is Datura niger, and the flower is violet in color. So this is Datura alba and this is Datura niger. And the third is thorn apple, and the species is Datura starmonium. The fruits of Datura starmonium has thorns, so this is called thorn apple. All the parts of this plant are poisonous. Mainly seeds, Datura seeds, fruits, and nectar is most poisonous. So next, we have to differentiate between Datura and chili seeds. Most of them, Datura and chili seeds, resembles each other. So we should know the poisonous Datura seed and we should able to differentiate it. The differences are Datura seeds and chili seeds. Size. Datura seeds are large and chili seeds are small. Shape. Datura seeds are kidney shaped and it is rounded. Color of Datura seeds are dark brown, and of it chili seeds are pale yellow. Surface of Datura seeds has numerous small depressions in the surface, and chili seeds are smooth. Embryo. On longitudinal section, the embryo is curved outwards at the hilum, and in chili seeds, the embryo is curved inwards. Smell. Datura seeds are odorless and chili seeds are pungent in smell. Taste. Datura seeds are bitter and chili seeds are pungent. You can see this is Datura seed and it is dark brown in color and it is pale yellow in color. The hilum it is bent outwards, and in this chili seed the hilum is bent inwards. It is odorless and tasting bitter and it is pungent. And in the surface of Datura seed there are small depressions where the chili seeds are smooth. Active principles of Datura. So active principles are scopolamine, second is hyoscyamine, third is atropine. Datura plant contains 0.2 to 1.4% of alkaloid hyoscyamine or scopolamine. These alkaloids competitively inhibit the muscarinic receptors of acetylcholine, and its mechanism of action is it stimulate CNS and higher centers first, and after some time it depresses. So muscle paralysis has been seen, and most of the death is caused by respiratory paralysis. Datura seeds are most dangerous. Signs and symptoms of Datura poisoning can be memorized by Ds, several Ds, and these Ds are delirium, dryness of mouth, dilated pupil, drunken gait, dysphagia, delusion, dry, hot skin, dysuria, drowsiness, dysarthria, and finally the final D is death due to respiratory failure. So, Datura poisoning, signs and symptoms of Datura poisoning can be memorized by several Ds. Most important are delirium, dryness of mouth, dilated pupil, drunken gait, delusion, drowsiness, dry hot skin, and death due to respiratory failure. So these are the signs and symptoms of Datura poisoning. Let us discuss about the fatal dose and fatal period of Datura poisoning. So, fatal dose of Datura seeds, 50 to 100 Datura seeds are enough to kill a person, and in 30 minutes people is stupefied. So stupefaction is done in 30 minutes, and the fatal period is 24 hours. Fatal period is 24 hours or 1 day. Separately, atropine, the fatal dose of atropine is 120 milligram, and fatal dose of scopolamine is 30 mg. Diagnosis of Datura poisoning. So, Datura poisoning can be diagnosed by two tests. One is Mydriatic test, and second is pilocarpine test. In Mydriatic test, instill patient's urine in cat's or rabbit's eye. There is immediate mydriasis. So patient's urine is incorporated into rabbit's eye, and it causes immediate mydriasis. Second is pilocarpine test. 2 to 3 drops of pilocarpine in patient's eye. 2 to 3 drops of pilocarpine is incorporated into patient's eye. If the patient is poisoned with Datura, there will be no constriction within half an hour. So by these two tests, Mydriatic test and pilocarpine test, we can diagnose a case of Datura poisoning. Next, management of Datura poisoning, and it is the most important part to save the patient's life. First of all, patient is shifted to a quiet place, shifted to a quiet and dark environment. Next, the vitals are monitored. Vitals are monitored and respiratory assistance has been provided. Decontamination is done by gastric lavage, whole bowel irrigation, and purgatives. Next most important part is the antidotes of Datura poisoning. Antidotes. So, antidote of Datura poisoning is physostigmine, which is a tertiary cholinergic drug, and it can easily passes BBC. It can easily passes blood-brain barrier. The dose of physostigmine is 2 mg IV slowly in adult and 0.5 mg IV slowly for pediatric patient. Next is neostigmine, pilocarpine, and pyridostigmine. So the antidotes are physostigmine, neostigmine, pilocarpine, and pyridostigmine. Antihistamines and morphine are contraindicated. Antihistamine and morphine is contraindicated. Post-mortem appearance. So death is due to respiratory failure. So findings of asphyxia can be seen in post-mortem. Findings of asphyxia. And fragments of seeds and plants may be found in the whole bowel irrigation or gastric lavage, and seeds of Datura resist putrefaction for a long time. Now the most important part is medico-legal importance of Datura poisoning. So first of all, Datura is said to be the road poison. Datura is mainly used for stupefying. Criminals mix crushed and powdered seed in food and drink to stupefy a victim. Crushed seed in food to stupefy a victim and do criminal offences, robbery, rape, or kidnapping. That is why Datura poisoning is also called road poisoning. Datura is also abortifacient. Datura is used as aphrodisiac and it is called love philter. It is a drug of abuse. Next, talk about corn pickers pupil. It is a phenomena seen in corn pickers or ground man. corn picker pupil. Cornfields are usually infested with Datura plants. Harvesting of corn invariably exposes the corn pickers to Datura dust, and this results in persistent mydriasis. And this is why it is called corn pickers pupil. A similar condition has been seen in gardeners' mydriasis, where gardeners dealing with Datura plants get persistent mydriasis. So these are the medical legal importance of Datura poisoning. Mainly it is used for stupefy people, and it is a strong abortifacient and it is a love filter. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like, comment and subscribe to our channel.